She's here, guys. So we're gonna do the unboxing on it. It is the Louis Vuitton Surene BB Python, Monogram and Python, and it got here from 24S just a bit ago, which is a big surprise. It wasn't supposed to be here until Monday. So, oh my God, y'all. I'm just shaking. Okay. And I can't wait to show the boyfriend. Oh my God, he's gonna love it. Oh, I'm gonna love it. You're gonna love it. We're gonna love it. Of course, it's a discontinued style from 24S. From Louis Vuitton. And 24S, like I said, is owned by Louis Vuitton. So, yes. Oh my God, y'all. Ready for the pop-up? Ready for it? Ready? Pop it. 24S. Love it. Okay. Here we go. And I asked customer service to make sure to send any Louis Vuitton packaging that they could send with it, or anything that Louis, of course, that Louis would send with theirs. And she said that it would come with a dust bag, but that they would send it in the 24S package, and that's just there. So we'll see what we from Paris with Love. This is the return label thingy. And this is the bag. This is the bag. Oh my God. Okay. And that was all that came in the, which is fine with me, because 24S is owned by Hennessy House, which owns Louis Vuitton. So we're good. We're good. Even if I have to explain that to somebody along the lines, whatever, it's good. It's good. Okay. Just a regular dust bag. Y'all, they did do their best to send it fresh. It is so fresh. Okay, and this is the invoice. This is a little unusual. Caramel. Okay, we'll take a better look at this here in just a minute, because this is something new. I'll take a look at this and put in the description below exactly what this is, because this is a little unusual there. Just gorgeous. I don't even want to touch it. Okay, get over it, Stephanie. Let's start with this gorgeous handle. that over there for us. Let's go ahead and take a look at the tag. That is just stunning. That is a stunning piece of art. Okay. Hold on. Good Lord Almighty, all that stuff. We'll move it back just a bit and see if we can't get it undressed here. Wow, talking about fresh off the mill. I've never had one packed like that well. It is beautiful. It really, really is. I mean, everything just sparkles. It just sparkles. Okay. Here we have, oh, this is old school. It's our care booklet. In 5,000 different languages. Make sure to get this right side up. And you guys are sinking. So, let me get around here. Gaze at the bag and I'm okay. Sorry about that. But anyhow, yes. This is the tag. There. And it has on the inside of the bag, on the inside of the bag, there. Okay, good job. Look at this. Python, isn't it beautiful? Oh, goodness. And the great thing, look, peoples, it has feet. Peoples, it has feet. It has Louis Vuitton on the hardware here. A beautiful gold chain. It is not detachable. A black microfiber interior. Rather spacious. You can get a full-size wallet in there, a small cosmetics bag, your cell phone, and still have room for more. I am so in love. And okay, let's try it. Try it again. Just gorgeous. Woohoo. Oh, I mean, just lovely. Oh. I'm gonna so be tempted to take this as an everyday bag because I'm gonna love carrying this particular bag so much. I mean, really, and you can wear it as crossbody, as pictured. So, yes. I mean, she is stunning. She has a lovely little piece of artwork, and she's not no big old snake bag. This is adorable. It's a me-size bag. I think it's a great crossbody bag for a larger woman because it does give the room that you would want and need in a bag. And it's not overwhelming, it's not underwhelming. There it says Louis Vuitton on the patch. She's just a gorgeous bag. And I am so glad that you guys shared the experience with me. I'm sorry about the camera going wonky. And lately I've had an issue with every single unboxing. So we're just gonna look at the bag one more time and say bye-bye. One jackpot at a time, kids.